State asida SIR gi thabak Hayengda Gi haubaga loinana BLO singna Hayengda Gi mathang thagi kunipan fauba yumthong de chatuna enumeration gi thabak pangthoklagani haina Manipur gi Chief Electoral Officer Arun Kumar Sinha na paujalaklei hiram asiga mari lainana ngasi lamphel pat leiba Chief Electoral Officer CEO Manipur Office pangthokhiba pawgi mifam amada state asigi CEO Arun Kumar Sinha na hai Lakliba July amada qualifying date oiraka matik chaba citizen sing electoral roll da hapchinaba amade matik chadaba mi sing electoral roll da yahondanaba ECI na order ama thokre order asigi matung ina SIR gi thabak ase hayengdagi hauragani thabak asigi damak ECI na pirakpa guidelines sing mapung fana induna pahirkadaba thaurang pumnamak mapung fan lusilakle state asigi oina hojik leiriba elector lakun Lising marifutara humdoi shupna humfutara taruke enumeration form sing number loiduna mari lainaba BLO sing da yanthoknaba AC humfugi electoral registration officer ERO sing da sinakre elector singna makhoi gi khwaidagi konba SIR record adu thibada mateng pangnaba amade enumeration form mentionba amade thajinbada mateng pangnaba district taraga tarukmakta help desk sing hangtoknaba haina mangna phongdokhe Magna Makatana High Enumeration Parrot Ase Hayengdagi Mathang Tha Jun Kunipan Faubo Pangtokane. Enumeration Parrot Asida Puna Vote Level Officer BLO Lising Aniga Jamapan Yankai Tarukna Yumthong the Chatuna Elector Singda Duplicate Enumeration Form Singin Tokane. Elector Singna Masagi Natraga Mahaki Imung Manungi Kwaidagi Konba SIR record Ado Form Aduda Hapaga Lunana Mensilaba Form Amana BLO Singda Sinaraga Atopa Form Amana BLOgi Kudyek Lauraba Matung acknowledgement receipt oina mahak masada thambiyo. Enumeration phase asida elector singna document hasaloidabane. Enumeration form ase elector singna website voters.eci.gov.in dagi download tawba amade mensilaba form thajinba yagane. Elector singna mensilaba enumeration form thajinba kaubigano. Form ase thazil hodaba taragade masagi maming ado draft electoral roll dage kakhigane masi miyamna kaubiganu haina mahangna phongdokhe SIR gi exercise ase miyamna mapung fana khanghanaba thaurang kaya su paikhatle masigi manung chana awareness multimedia campaign amasu launch tawgane I am in haiba campaign ase launch tawduna miyamda SIR gi matangda khanghanaba honari haina mahangna phongdokhe SIR ge exercise asida IDP sengi damak akhanaba thaurang paikhatpagi matangda paumi singna hangba bhangi pakum piraduna mangna makatana hai IDP sengi matangda akhanaba thaurang ama paikhatnaba ECI da che thakre masigi matangda ECI ni approval pirakani thajai haina mangna makata ke
Most important thing is the electors should return the enumeration form that we are giving. That is the most important. Once they are returning it back to us, their name will figure in the draft electoral roll. If they don't, then their name will not figure in the draft electoral roll, and a separate process is there if they want to get their name included in the final electoral roll.
Enumeration form pisalapa miyo du khaktani hojik draft roll da yaudesi aduna enumeration form hangtaragadi enumeration form du mention biba aduga BLO da matam chana piba Piraba Kanda draft roll the Yaroka and enumeration period say Hayeng Tang Contra the Horaga, Jungi Tang Kunipan Hogni, Aduna BLO signal Lapakanda is enumeration form to Lobiba, Amadi enumeration form na Hangiba, information sing to mean Bira Matung the BLO da Matamjana Sinaviba. Adukanda the next phase ki draft publication silak, but the Isagi mean draft rolls the Yarokaneb.